Hi, I'm Matt. I'm the founder here at Rockee. So I'm going to spend the next 5 minutes quickly talking you through our platform, how it works, and hopefully how it can help you. Firstly, why was Rockee built? It was out of a frustration that I had with content marketing. So I was getting asked by, performance leaders, marketing leaders, content creators, agencies, clients, you name it, asking the same question: How good is the content? How is it performing? And I kind of got frustrated with the tools we use at the moment. So using things like analytics only gives us a bit of a proxy as to what good performance looks like. We kind of guess from what the numbers tell us. And I thought there's a better way, and that is to ask the people who actually matter, and that is the reader. So that's exactly what Rockee is. It's a content feedback and measurement platform. So I'm going to quickly show you how it works from a front end perspective. So this is on our own blog. So if you just scroll to the very bottom of the blog, you get the prompt here to rate that piece of content in a kind of trust pilot type way. So let's say that particular piece was excellent. You've now got a couple of options here to add in custom questions. We added this feature in so people could identify that the feedback they're getting is hopefully from a relevant target persona. So it allows them to segment that data a little bit later on in the dashboard. So let's say that person came from a marketing role and they were a senior level. Now you can obviously get a chance to add some feedback here, and this is where people can kind of just fill in the blank text box and say whatever they want, really. So this was great. I promise we get better reviews than that, but I just wanted to show you a quick example. So now bear with me. What I will do is jump into the platform and show you how this works from a back end perspective. So here's our dash. As you can see, my review has gone straight through into there, and your home screen gives you all the kind of the latest bits and pieces. So your overall Rockee score, your latest reviews, and kind of some breakdowns of some other analytics, which shows you how well Rockee is working for you. You can deep dive into this as well and go into the review section and start to really get into the details of specific pages, specific assets, whatever it may be, and start to segment things by date ranges, ratings, whatever you want. Within the rating itself, you've got the opportunity to share it with colleagues, post it out to social media, showing how good your content is. You can even flag stuff if you think it might be malicious and you want to get it checked by one of our moderators. So that's kind of the key features of how the platform works at the moment. Quite easy and straightforward to do it. One of the other things that we also give you is the opportunity to show how good your content is. So if you're getting lots of really cool reviews, you've got the option of putting a trust badge onto the front end of your site as well, and it will automatically detect against the right piece of content where that review has come from. So this is where that trust pilot element comes in again. And you can see reviews from peers and things like that as to how good the content has performed. And, hopefully it does a couple of things for you, which is increase engagement and hopefully increasing conversion rate as well by using a little bit of social proof. So there's some of the key features. In terms of how you actually set Rockee up, it only takes a minute or so. As you can see here, we've got like a back-end setup section. You can add as many widgets as you want. I'm going to quickly show you how one of them works at the moment. So each widget goes through a quick onboarding process where you can quickly customize it. You can ask those questions that you want to get from in terms of identifying your audience. And then you get some simple instructions as to how to set that up. Now, when you get into your platform, there's much more kind of in-depth guides as to how to install header code and the collection widget, but it really is as simple as copy and pasting two different bits of code, and you're up and running on as many assets as you could possibly want. So the website widget will go and detect all the pages you might put that on as a template. It will detect the page name and the URL. And you've also got the option of spinning up custom landing pages as well. So if you really wanted to get feedback from a format that isn't on your website, these custom landing pages will work really nicely for you. So for example, we collect it on our newsletter, but you've also got the opportunity to embed it within an ebook. You could embed it as a call to action within videos. You could even have it as a QR code from a live event piece of content or a speaker session and take it through to there. So you've got lots of ways of holistically measuring all of your content and getting feedback from the people who are engaging with it. So they're kind of the last few bits. So Rockee is available as like a 14-day free trial. There's different packages available depending on the size of your business. And we're always open to new ideas and feedback. So if you've got an idea for a new widget, or you've got an idea for a new trust badge, or there's a feature that you'd like to see incorporated into the dashboarding, please drop me a line and we'll like to take it into consideration and add it on to our developer roadmap. So hopefully this gives you a bit of an idea as to how Rockee works and hopefully can help you out. And I look forward to hopefully working with you soon. Thanks.